I just pulled a couple random lawyer sites. Your mom stated that I tricked her in a divorce and I was supposed to pay child support. And I just wanted to show you both kind of how child support works. We get this question a lot. Most people call us having read somewhere that the mom always gets custody of the children and dad always pays child support. That's just not true these days. Child support is based off the custody arrangement that the court orders. Dads are just as likely to get custody and not have child support orders as the child's mother. Is there a way to not pay child support? That wasn't my goal. My goal was to have you guys half the time or more. Um, if you're worried about the child support guidelines, the first thing you need to start thinking of is what custody arrangement works best for you. If you are looking to not have child support, you will need to have at least joint physical custody with equal time. And that's what me and your mom had. I don't know what state this is, but anyway. Arkansas. In child support order, a child support order is determined on a case-by-case basis, taking into account a variety of factors, including the parent's income and assets, the needs of the child or children, the amount of time each parent spends with the child or children, and the number of children. Whatever is the best interest of the children will be the primary grounds for who might receive child support payments. When it comes to child support, sorry, just woke up. Child support in the state of Arkansas, the general rule is both parents are responsible for supporting their child financially. However, the court will typically order the non-custodial parent, the parent who does not have the primary physical custody of the child, to pay child support to the other parent. This is because the custodial parent is typically the one who incurs the majority of the expenses related to the child's care and upbringing. Under Arkansas law, the court will use specific formula to calculate the amount of child support. Anyway, let's try to find one that's in Washington. But you guys kind of see that we were both supposed to be working and supporting you, and I wasn't just, there to pay child support and have you guys 50-50. Can the other parent and I agree on the amount of child support? No, it must be calculated based on the income. How long does a person pay child support till they're 18? Do I still need to pay child support in 50-50 parenting plan? Maybe. It depends on the income and financial resources of the primary custodial parent and the extent the other parents will be left with sufficient funds to meet the basic needs of the child. The law also requires evidence showing how the additional residential time results in increased expenses to the non-primary parent and decrease. If any of the parties receiving support through though some judges require less stringent proof than others. Right here. What if my spouse doesn't want to work? If the spouse is capable of working, the law will impute income to a voluntary unemployment spouse as if they were working on a full-time basis and computing child support. And that was your mom. She was voluntarily not working, saying she had worms and she couldn't work. But right up until we got divorced, she was working full-time, cleaning houses. So... And here's another one. What if she quits her job? The court will assume the spouse is voluntarily unemployed. What if the spouse during the divorce is fired from his job? Anyway, she was capable of working and I believe still is, but and this one's child support in Washington State. So, as you can see, I never tricked your mom. She signed the paperwork voluntarily. The judge asked her like 4 times. You know, is she doing that free and voluntarily? And, the fact of the matter is, up until Ethan was 18, we still would have been living at Glenwood if she had just paid the $300 a month rent. But her and Cliff decided that, she didn't have to, and that just wasn't true. And then I was made out to be the bad guy when I had to evict her. Anyway, that's pretty much all I got for the child support. I love you both. Miss you.